If you are looking for the best drywall screw guns, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1. Most popular. DEWALT DCF620B Drywall Screw Gun. The tool has a soft grip handle and is very ergonomic. It is lightweight and can easily be carried every day. The variable speed trigger allows it to have a smooth start to your work. Its design also allows the tool to be used with minimal workers' fatigue. The motor in these tools has a lot of torque and efficiency. It is rated to be 33% more efficient than most in its class. Any standard battery pack will be enough to last for hours due to the improved motor. Number 2. Milwaukee 2866 20M18 Drywall Screw Gun. It's well balanced, lightweight, and comes with an auto feature that saves battery life, extends tool life, and provides additional safety. Speaking of battery, it comes with Milwaukee's own Red Lithium 5.0 batteries that feature RedLink Plus intelligence. This gives 3 times longer runtime than most of the similarly priced screw guns at this price point while also providing faster charging time. This drywall screwdriver is faster than a lot of corded tools out there. Number 3. Makita XSF03Z Drywall Screwdriver. The XSF03Z is a popular product in Makita's drywall screwdriver lineup for a couple of good reasons. It's a powerful tool that can easily keep up with the high productivity standards of professional drywall contractors. Powering this screwdriver is a powerful and efficient brushless motor and features an 18 volts LXT lithium-ion battery, which is Makita's exclusive battery that has push-drive technology. With this feature, you can set the trigger on lock-on mode and the motor will only run when you engage the fastener. Number 4. DEWALT DCK263D2 Drywall Screw Gun. The screw gun sports a 4,400 revolutions per minute motor with brushless technology. It is more efficient than most guns as they are rated to run 33% longer than the rest. The screw gun is the same one as the one mentioned above. A great addition was the cutout tool. It has an industrial-grade motor capable of supplying up to 26,000 revolutions per minute. The LED light fitted in both the tools makes life simpler when there's not enough light around. Both tools are made of the best quality materials out there, making them extremely durable. Number 5. DEWALT DCF6201 Drywall Screw Gun. The DCG6201 is an optional extra that attaches to a screw gun. It makes the job easier as it can support a longer bit and slip. It weighs around 1 pound and is a great addition to your gun as it enables you to work with heavier materials. It is constructed of hard plastic and bits of metal. It attaches to a screw gun firmly and can be left on with minimal supervision. The bits that can be fitted can be as big as 4 mm. However, other manufacturers support bits up to 6 mm.